you haven't seen it, it's Intense recommended. Now let's see what made the Intense 5. Baker at Sumfest. I don't know. If you get warned the first time, why test the wording? Anyways, he was detained and released, thank God. Jada and Diani on stage. That is all. A very touching performance by the big ship captain, Freddie McGregor. I'm sure everyone was in tears, like bawling, goosebumps take your body. It was so emotional, but awesome. The king of the dancehall is getting ready to release his new album, Simmer. Beanie says the project was inspired by personal tragedy, and I'm sure we're gonna love it. And finally holding the spot this week, dancehall veteran Cobra was held in South Carolina with a firearm and cocaine. He has been released on $125,000 bail, but if convicted, he's looking at a lot of prison time. Jaja. But that's it for the Intense 5. Remember, if there's anything you think should make the list, hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Richie chats with the up top boss. Intense soon forward.